أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the last few sessions, we worked on Julius, but our runtime was Python. Now, Julius offers R as runtime as well. In this session, we are going to use R as our runtime. Now, first of all, I'm going to get my data. Now, here is my data set. And let's ask Julius to give us provide descriptive statistics for age and gender with, okay, let's say gender. Press enter. Now here are our results. You can have a view of the code as well, and you can edit it if you want. Moving on, let's ask to generate a heat map. Generate a heat map for the relationship between CC and OP. So we've got two variables in the dataset, CC and OP, and let's see if we can generate the heat map as well. Now here is our heat map. Now the heat map shows the strength and direction of relationship between different CC and OP variables. Red indicates positive correlation, blue indicates negative correlation, and white represents no correlation. Now in this case, we've got a positive correlation. An increase in collaborative culture will lead to an increase in organizational performance. Moving on, let's ask provide a scatter plot. Okay, let me first view the data. So the data, let's say we can. Now here is my data. Sometimes we forget the variable name, so we need to look at it again. Now in this case, I do not have a summary. Okay, so let me import another data set here. View the data. Now here is the data, and I've got OP column here, the summary of the indicators of OP or the mean of the indicators of OP, and I've got CC here. So let's ask, can you produce a scatter plot between CC and OP plus provide the Pearson correlation and its significance. Let's see what we get. Now for scatter plot, we are going to use ggplot, the library. For correlation, the core function. Now here is the scatter plot, and if we look here, if we increase CC, we tend to have better organizational performance. CC is corporate culture. Now here is the R, the 95% confidence interval. So 95% of the times, the correlation coefficient will range between 0.4775 and 0.6249. And is it significant? Well, yes, it is significant. You can convert it into decimals if you put it into Excel. Now we can further look into regression analysis. Let's see what we get. Linear model. The dependent is OP, independent is CC, this is the data, and now we are going to have a summary of our results. Now let's ask, can you provide the results in a table format with a report of regression for a study? Let's see what we get. So here is our table. The R square adjusts R square And here are our results. Now let's have a look at the data again. Now let's use the R runtime to, can I have graphs for gender, employment, and rank. Now here are the graphs for gender, employment type, and rank. We can save the image. So this is how you can use R runtime with Julius to perform your mathematical, computational, statistical operations in R. Thank you very much.